Trying to make a quick sandwich here. Don't got nothing to eat in here, but I'm gonna try to make it taste really, really good. Let's see what we got in the fridge right now. Block of cheese, some turkey, some wraps. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is take this turkey, throw down a few slices. A few slices right there. Put it away. Now with just heating any piece of deli meat up makes it taste 1,000 times better. This just looks like trash. I mean, it's good meat, but once we start grilling it, it's 1,000 times better. Couple peppers. I'll use this big ass knife right here. Start smelling that once you get those cut. That smell. Alright, you got it all chopped up. Nice. Do a little more. Alright, and we got this all chopped up. It smells really good. See, a lot of people don't take time to cut up. This is very easy. Just cut it up and you put it on the skillet with a little bit of butter. It gets the whole thing going. I'll take a little piece of butter off this. Start with about that much. Now, bam. I'm gonna keep the little guy happy. All right, try to get down there. Another thing I'm gonna try is let's put some basil on this. Pluck a leaf. Pluck two. And basil's just got a really good smell. Just rip up a couple of pieces. It adds very good flavor. If you ever make a pizza or whatever, definitely want to get some basil in there. It takes everything up a notch. Yeah, I got some gaps. We already know that. Y'all can focus on something else. Focus on getting your food ready. So, here we go. And you always cook on medium high, medium low. You cook on fast and everything gets burnt. It doesn't cook faster, it gets burnt. See, now you take a wrap, you rub a little butter on it. Yeah, rub a little butter all over right there. And throw it in the skillet with the peppers. No big deal. Smelling banging now. I took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of turkey. Just want to get it all in the pot, let it all start cooking together. Let's take a little salt. Now, this is actually pepper. That's banging. Take a cheese. Cut it however you like. I'm gonna go thin on this one. Pretty thin. I am not a cook, but when I get hungry, I get innovative, we'll say. Just like that. Take that thing, stand them up. Just like that. Okay, so you got this all chopped into bits. Alright, now let's get a closer look at this. Make sure you put it all mixed. You got the peppers in there. Get it all that melted. Give it a flip. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Ah, look at the flick of the wrist. At that point, you can just take off one of these peppers just like that. So much flavor. Now I start to clean my shit up while it's all cooking. Look at the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Banging. Now this got the cheese and the peppers, the basil, the turkey, all cooking up together, getting that flavor. Now there's cheese in there already. this what you got. You want to look it through. You can just leave it like this. Actually, this thing is just, oh god, look at that. Banging peppers, some cheese. Now I thought I didn't have anything to eat, but just some turkey, green peppers, a wrap, some cheese, a little butter, chop up some peppers, grill it all on medium high at the most. Let that wrap get nice and, you know, browned a little bit. And watch this. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. This is hot. Get that fold. Alright. And you take that.